Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a hot forecast for you for the next few days before our next chance of rain possibly returns Sunday. You can see just how hot it is as I record this. The heat index pretty close to 110 over much of the Arklatex. In Shreveport, Idabel, heat index right now sitting at 111. We do have an excessive heat warning that is in effect for the especially western half of the area. What we're watching is that same area of upper level high pressure, which is basically extending across the southern and southwestern sections of the country, and it is extended far enough to the east to keep any rain that develops off to our north pretty much over the northern edge of the area. We did see a few sprinkles earlier this morning over that particular part of the Arklatex, and it's going to be a possibility we could see something similar tonight. Show you a couple of different models. This is the HRRR model heading through the nighttime hours tonight. You can see the clear to partly cloudy sky, bit of an increase in the clouds over the northern sections of the area. Notice the showers or thunderstorms, most of which staying to our north. Compare that to Futurecast, and you can see our model does have a little bit further progress of the scattered showers over the northern edge of the area by morning. That activity will fall apart as it tries to make its way south and eastward. Kind of doubt we'll see it penetrate the Arklatex very much, as we'll see that mixture of sunshine and clouds return across the area tomorrow. Expect a partly cloudy sky tomorrow night. Again, Futurecast shows a little bit of rain possible over mainly the northern sections of the area. That too could be a bit overdone. And then going through Saturday, we'll see that mix of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures both tomorrow and Saturday will be in the mid to upper 90s for daytime highs for most of the area. And then Saturday night heading into Sunday, we'll see a possibility for that scattered shower or thunderstorm pretty much area wide, although still some question as to the extent of how much rain we might receive. Mentioned the heat index today. This is what we could be seeing on the way for tomorrow. As you can see during the day, latest shows that heat index values will be in that range of 105 to 110. At the very least, we'll see a heat advisory once again for tomorrow. Again, as of right now, we do have the excessive heat warning, which covers much of the Arklatex, and very well could have a excessive heat warning for part of the area again tomorrow, though that will be determined later. Here's a look at the longer range, and you can see that upper level ridge. It's going to extend more towards the north. We'll see a bit of a northwesterly flow allow a chance for some scattered showers or thunderstorms, mainly Sunday, and then that ridge begins to march to the east. It settles pretty much right over the top of us by the middle of next week. That's going to result in the possibility of some triple-digit heat. And then we'll see a trough develop over the eastern half of the country that'll nudge that ridge back to the west, and that northwesterly flow could bring a little bit of a break, a minor bit of relief from the excessive heat as we go into the end of next weekend, perhaps the beginning of the following week. But that ridge still sitting there will have to be watched as we move out of July and into the month of August. In the meantime, as far as rainfall potential, again, with that ridge over us or near us for most of the next 10 days, rain will be rather limited. Pretty much all of this will occur Sunday, as normally in a 10-day period this time of year we get about an inch. You can see amounts as of right now projected to be quite a bit below that, with most of the area seeing rainfall totals of, say, a third of an inch or less during the next 10 days. So your forecast for tonight is looking partly cloudy. We will see a possibility very late tonight for a little bit of rain over the northern edge of the area especially. Lows will be in the upper 70s to low 80s, right around 80 tonight in both Texarkana and Shreveport, 79 degrees for the nighttime low in Marshall. Tomorrow, partly cloudy. The heat index again could approach 110, as we'll see highs in the mid to upper 90s over the south, low to middle 90s over the northern half of the area. As rainfall chances, again, if we see anything tomorrow, it'll be in the morning over mainly the northern edge of the area. And your 10-day forecast shows that temperatures across the area will cool off briefly Sunday into the low to middle 90s, then back up close to 100 by the middle part of next week. Notice a bit of a cooling trend by next weekend as highs retreat to the mid 90s, as we'll see that chance of rain this Sunday and then again next Sunday. Overnight lows in the next 10 days likely will stay in the upper 70s. So all in all, it does look like we will see the continuation of the heat, a little bit of a chance of rain, a brief cool down Sunday, and then the heat intensifies even more as we go through next week.